If you want a fast, lightweight, and 100% free auto clicker for your Windows PC, here's how to download OP Auto Clicker safely. First, go to the official website. Open your browser and search for OP Auto Clicker official download. Click the link that says opautoclicker.com. Then here just press on Get It from Microsoft. It'll direct you to this link of Microsoft Store. Click on Download and then launch the executable that Microsoft downloaded for you. After it finishes installing, just open the program, and here you'll get to see all the settings that you can manage inside of Auto Clicker. You can manage the click interval, click options, and click repeat and cursor position. Once you're happy with your settings, you can press start with F6 and you can stop it again with F6. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments and subscribe to the channel.